Please open your Bible in the book of 1 John 2:18. Nadiyan na record ang the last hour. And that last hour means 7 years when Antichrist will appear and then deceive the whole world and then kill a lot of Jew in Israel for 3.5, the last 3.5. So, Antichrist system is here, but the last Antichrist will come, and he is a political, military leader, political, economic, military leader, not a religious leader. Take note that the world is preparing, therefore the church should prepare. Kini nga itong mga away-away karon, doctrine, Trinity, oneness, baptism, healing, kinsay anointed, wala man itanan. Kinsay true church, kinsay gwapong system. Actually, katawan na sa tanas ba. God allowed everything. Pag abot sa pandemic atong 2020, asa man ta? Di ba? Nanago sa kabalayan. Wa tayo nahimo ang mga anointed. Ang healing miracles way nahimo. Pero naanag yapon, pero nasa balay-balay dili na open. Because it is written, God's plan is kuana na sa Biblia. Matuman ninyo na.